process.
International Police Chaplains for Sustainable Development and Law Enforcement has given its preliminary statement on the 2023 general election observation. The mission congratulated the Nigerian people, the federal government, political actors, and all stakeholders, urging them to continue to work together towards the peace of the nation. Jane Francis Nweze has more.
The 2023 presidential election has produced a winner after a closely and keenly contested exercise. But the conduct of the election was criticized by some political parties, especially the electronic transmission of results. In spite of this, the IPCSL commended the electoral process of the 2023 general election held on Saturday, February 25.
Having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner.
The Independent National Electoral Commission on Wednesday morning announced the All Progressives Congress presidential candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the president-elect. Leader of the mission, Ambassador Johannes Makovie, says their focus on the field was to assess the credibility of the election.
Observers were trained by the mission on the best practice and methodologies of the International Police Chaplains, Sustainable Development and Law Enforcement in election observations, as well as on the principle of international observation and evaluation of democratic election. The International Police Chaplain deploy its observers in Lagos, in Abuja, in the entire 6 geopolitical zones of the country, namely the Northwest, Northeast, North Central, Southwest, Southeast, and South-South.
The IPCSL deployed 178 observers on election day and visited 2,297 polling stations throughout the country, but did not observe the collation of results.
Finally, it makes the following recommendation. Recommendation number 1 to the central government: take the necessary measure for greater participation of civil society in the entire electoral process. To INEC, continue interactions with candidates and party to build confidence, which in turn will strengthen the social fabric, strengthen the capacity of election staff. To the candidate and political actors.
The mission advised political actors to use the legal channel to address further issues while encouraging civil societies to continue with civic education and citizen awareness. Jane Francis Nweze, TVC News, Abuja.
And to forestall any security breach in the state ahead